Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add blog category and mix. Let's get started. So as you can see right here, I am on the blog of my page. So this is my site that is actually a blog website. So in here, this is a blog website, we can add in a blog category for us to use. So in order to do that, what we can do is you can actually just head over and click on the blogs right here. You can see the blogs right here on our screen, so just click on blogs. And then from in there, you should be able to see these categories. So click on categories right here. And then once you have clicked on that, it will redirect you to this page of your dashboard. So let's just wait. And in here, you can see the posts and everything right in here. So what we want to do is we can actually head over it and see and rename this category. So this category name is all posts. If you want to create a new category, just click on this view category right here and then just name it. So for example, we want to name it kids toys. Then you can actually add in a description and as well as category image. Now in here in the URLs blog, it will be named as kids/or-toys right here. So once you click on save right here, you should be able to see that your category has been created. So what you can do next is you can head over to the blog post to see if you have created. So click on the blog post. And then in here, just click on the post that you have in here. And then once you have opened that post, you can see in here the option for categories on your left sidebar. So click on your left sidebar. Then in here, you can see category, which is the kids toys that we had created earlier. So you can also create a new category from the post page right here. But this one, let's choose kids toys. Then as you can see, we have assigned this category to this specific article. So in here, let's click on save right here. Once you have saved it, click on publish. And once you have published it, we should be able to see the option right here. So as you can see, this post right here, which is this one, has this category under that, which is kids toys. If you want to add more, just head over to the categories in here. And then from in there, just create a new post by clicking on this new category right here. It totally depends on what you want. You can also add in a picture, a description, anything like that. If you want to edit it, just click on this edit button right here and you can edit it however you want. If you want to delete it, you can actually click on this three dots right here and click on the delete button right here. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to add categories on blog and mix. If you haven't found this video helpful, so leave a like below and subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.